It's 4:45 on Saturday, late Saturday afternoon, and you can see we've got a hail, sleety snow, zero visibility going on, and we'll tie this into other videos for tomorrow. So it's a little after about almost 5 o'clock, and downtown Harlan is empty. Planned storm, maybe. Some reports might be fizzling out. We'll find out later this evening. But it's pretty darn quiet down here. We've got a kind of a hail snowball mix going on right now. Theater is cleaning off, and Pizza Ranch is cleaning off their area. If I can zip in here. Last report, a lot of restaurants are closed. I just don't expect people to get out. As I said, this is 5 p.m. on Saturday. Got a few stragglers there trying to get in. You can hear the wind probably. I'm gonna shut it off here. 9:44, and we got the wind's gusting to probably 35-40 miles an hour. We got a pickup coming right at us. Visibility's pretty tough right now. It's getting ugly, folks. We are out by Harlan Community High School right now. We've got actually traffic coming our way. I don't know what the heck people are doing out here, just like if you've seen some of the Omaha video. It is getting ugly. The wind is blasting. (10 p.m.) Winds are coming up. Visibility's tough. We'll see how this all finishes out.